your tongue. The tip of it.
Hey, go like this. That's so disgusting.
What? My gum?
Do it. Show me how to do it.
My gum?
No, just you in general doing that. Blah. Okay.
Look at Sydney. Watch her.
I gotta get one right.
Watch her.
Why?
See what? See what she's doing?
Uh-huh.
It's getting hard.
Now try it.
Okay, swallow some of the spit you got there. Ethan's wrong. You don't get your tongue all wet. Even though it already is.
You don't want to try it anymore? Look at me. Do it one more time. Look at me and do it.
Go for my crotch, I freaking can't get it. Oh!
I'm afraid he'll blow. Spit will go everywhere.
Nelson?